Want to get fit in the new year? Don't know where to start? They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Whether it's to start moving more, start moving again, or even just moving into a better mindset. Join us on our 21-day challenge. Work on creating new habits, stay consistent, get in the best shape of your life, and feel amazing. All workouts are beginner-friendly for all levels and can be done from anywhere with minimal equipment. Make this year your most fit yet.
Welcome to day 10 of your 21-day challenge. 10 days already. You are killing it. Today's workout is going to be low impact cardio, meaning that there is no jumping and it's a lot more low impact on your body, including your ankles, your knees, your joints. You can always get your heart rate up without jumping and get a really good sweat session. Good sweat session. All right, for today's class, you will need nothing else but a yoga mat and your body. Remember to always listen to your body. If something doesn't feel good, that's okay. You can back off, take your time. If you want to feel more, you can always grab weights. You can go faster. You can do this workout twice. Are you ready? Let's do some cardio. We're gonna start in the warm-up first before we get into the workout. We're gonna bend those legs. So you're gonna inhale, bend the legs, and inhale, take your arms out. Stretch out your abdominals, reach towards the beautiful sunshine. Inhale, bend, exhale, reach. Let's get the muscles loosened up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. From here, we're gonna take those arms and bring it side to side, getting into the spine, releasing the arms, a little bit of rotation through the legs for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, you're gonna go for a mini squat and then reach your arms to the side. And this move will come back a little bit later, but we're gonna go much deeper. So mini squat, side reach. Let's loosen up the sides of the body, rib cage, the lats. For 3, for 2, and 1. Take your hands behind the head and let's go into a twist one more time. So thoracic rotation for 3, 2, and time. Good. From there, we're going to loosen up the legs a little more. You're going to bring your heels down on the left side, toes up, and we're going to scoop under. So 3 scoops on the right and then on the left. Once you've done 3, switch sides. And again, both sides, just to really loosen up through those legs of yours. Good. And then once you're done, shake it out. All right, ready to rock? Let's bring it into our low impact cardio. We have a bunch of different moves to get through. We're gonna repeat every single movement twice with a 10-second recovery in the middle, okay? So, there's no jumping, so I'm doing the same thing as you today. Our first move is going to be I'll show you first, low impact jumping jack. So, you can jump if you want more impact, but you don't have to. All right, get your timers out. Let's get started. Move number 1, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. In 3, 2, and 1, go. Clapping those hands right to the top, lengthening out those arms. Three, 2, and 1. Good job. Starting nice and easy. By feeling that heart rate coming up. All right, here we go. Round 2, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Three, 2, time. Awesome. Next move, we're gonna take the weight on the right. We're gonna bend all of your body weight on the right side, and we're gonna do a knee repeater for 30 seconds. So we're gonna do the right side twice before we switch. All right, let's burn out the right side, baby. 3, 2, 1, go. I love this movement because you are toning the legs, also using your cores here and getting that heart rate up. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your day today. We're all in this together. 3, 2, and time. Good. Do not switch legs. Make sure you're staying on the exact same leg for the next round. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going, keep going. I'm feeling that right butt cheek. Woo! That's the point, baby. That's the point. Woo! A long 30 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, show us 30 seconds. Switch side. Whoa! All right, left side now. Here we go. We gotta balance it out. 3, 2, 1. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Two and 1. Good job. All right. One more time on this leg. See if you can get a little lower. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. See if you can get a little faster. Come on, dig deep. 10 seconds, right? Woo! Three, 2, and time. Nice. Okay. How you doing over there? Is your heart rate up? Just killing it. Like, next move. We're gonna go squat, kick, squat, kick. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. By the way, if you're still working on that squat form, don't think about going all the way down, even if it's a slight bend today. That's totally cool. Three, 2, time. All right, one more time in this one. I love this one. I call it kick the haters away. 3, 2, and 1. Let's kick those haters away. Love this move because working my thighs, working my bum, working my core strength. Three, 2, 1, time. All right, next move. This is the warm up. You're gonna go for just a slight squat, so kind of turn your toes out, little sumo stance, and you're gonna punch, so you're thinking about twisting through your core. All right, so I'll show you again. 1, 2. It's almost like I'm twisting into my leg. All right, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. And now we're punching the haters away. And breathe. Three, 2, time. Good job. Shake it out. One more time. Then we get to go on the mat and do some cardio from the ground. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Keep using that core. Keep using that arm, those arms, not that arm. You got two arms. Three, two, time. Amazing. Bring it down to the mat. You're gonna hold a plank. And from here, you're gonna do 30 seconds of drawing the knees into the chest. So technically a high impact exercise would be mountain climbers, but today, because it's low impact, we're going slow controlled, but you're still gonna work the core and get that heart rate up. All right, times two in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Slow controlled, squeeze your abs. Keep your butt down, core is engaged. Try to keep that neck neutral, spine is long. Yes, keep going. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Put your knees down. Take a second to breathe, and we're gonna do that again. In 3, 2, 1. Get it. In 3, in 2, and 1. It's okay. Oh, feeling the burn. Let's turn around. We're gonna stay in those abs for the next move. What you're gonna do is 30 seconds of bicycles. So, twisting. There we go. Let's go. Get those abs. 3, 2, 1, go. Twisty twist. Three, 2, 1. Awesome. Good work. Hug those knees into your chest. Put your neck down for a second to give it a break because we're going to go right back to it one last time. In 3, 2, 1, go. Keep it up, come on. 10 seconds, you got this. 3, 2, and time, hallelujah. All right, next move. You're gonna come up into this crab position. So Soha, you can look at what I'm doing here. You're gonna have options. You either bend your arms and do tricep work here, or if you wanna make it more advanced, it's still low impact, you dip and you tap the opposite toe. So that helps to work your abs and your coordination as well. We got only a few more moves left. You got this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Dip and tap. And if you look at Soha, she is doing the modification. She's working the back of those arms, those triceps. Three, 2, and time. All right, check out the wrists. They're feeling a little bit tired. We got that one more time and we're back up on our feet. All righty, in 3, in 2, and 1, go. Come on, hold it. You got this. Ooh, I'm moving forward. 2, and time. Good work. Shake it out. Oh, stand up. Almost there. We're gonna get back up on those feet. For this one, you're gonna go squat, pulse, and kick. Squat, pulse, and kick. Second final move, and the workout is over. Let's go, we're close. 3, 2, and 1. Here, here, kick. Squat, pulse, kick. Three, 2, and time. Good job. Woo. Hang in there. This is home stretch. Last time for this move. In 3, 2, 1, go. See if you can get a little lower. See if you can get a little deeper. Dig a little deeper. Finish strong. For 3, 2, time. All right, last move. We did abs, we did legs. We're gonna finish off with those arms. And what I want you to do is just punch as fast as you can, thinking about rotating through your core, and get those arms fired up. You're ready. We're sweating over here. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Breathe, 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 breathe. Punch it like you mean it. Focus, focus on the prize being done. Three, 2, time. Woo! Hope that didn't scare you. All right, last one. Make it the best one. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 go. Push it. Come on. This is it. This is it. 3, 2, 1. Big high five. We did it. Oh man, see? You don't need to be jumping around to get a great cardio workout. Please don't forget to do a stretch after this. Our channel has so many cool, amazing yoga stretches or recovery stretches with breath work. Will be linked below. Don't forget to like this, comment, let us know what you thought, and subscribe to our channel to get more videos. I'll see you tomorrow.